What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my space with another video. I hope you're all doing great. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how exactly I have fit the GoPro mount on my helmet because I have been getting some of the question in YouTube and in Instagram asking me how exactly I have fit that. So I thought, okay, why not make a video and just show it to you all. And one more thing, try to watch the whole video so that you understand the whole process. And if you really like the video, please give a thumbs up. And if you are very much new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also the notification button so that you keep getting update every time I upload a video. So let's get started. And yep, first thing first, this is my helmet, Revenge, MT Revenge, and I got this from Spartan Pro Gear. And if you are really interested buying this helmet, I'll put the link in the description. Also the link of this mount. I got this mount from Amazon. It cost me around like 400 somewhere. Yeah, 400. And when you take out this mount from the box, and if you read the instruction, they said you have to place this strap above. I don't know if you can see here. There's an arrow mark. So this arrow mark tells you that the strap has to go up somewhere. But if I put this strap up here, maybe it's going to spoil the beauty of this helmet. I know you buy this helmet for your protections, but yes, it has to look something good, right? I totally changed the instructions, so I just put it down here so that there is nothing, so this portions remain clean and it's not messed up. And one more thing, just behind this, you will not find any adhesive tape. So what you have to do is get one 3M tape, place here and fix this on the helmet properly in a proper directions. Okay, like you see, I hope it's neat and clean. How is it? Great, isn't it? Yep. So yes, this is the first thing that you have to do. Okay. Now let me take my GoPro and fix here. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the J mount, fix it here. So yes, the J mount is gone, and let me fix my GoPro. Before I fix this GoPro, let me tell you one thing. There is one more thing. Like you see here, I also have this Ulanzi battery door. I bought it separately from Amazon. So what is the use of this is, if you are using the original GoPro battery door, you have to remove the battery door and then you need to charge that. But in this, you have this provision. You have this small space here where you can link the USB cable and charge the GoPro on the go. So, and remember, if you are using this Ulanzi case, your GoPro is never waterproof. Just remember that. So this is how it looks like. So I don't have to remove this GoPro battery door anymore to charge. It's cool, isn't it? Okay. The reason I'm not using Ulanzi case is because if you are using Ulanzi case over this GoPro, this portion is going to look too bulky. That's the reason. And the reason I'm not using GoPro, what do you call that, the media mode, right? The media mode, it's because again the media mode, if you're going to buy, it's going to be expensive somewhere 5,000-6,000 rupees. So I just totally skip that, and I think this looks best. What do you say, people? And for this reason, you have to press the like button. Okay, now we need to fix this mic adapter. Okay, so I have fixed this mic adapter. Now this mic adapter, where do you think I should place this? I don't think I'll fit it here. It looks odd actually, right? It looks odd. So what will I do is, I'm going to put this mic adapter just below this. How is this? Don't you think this looks neat than putting it here? I personally feel that if you can fix it up here somewhere, it's going to look great. It's neat always. It's slim, it's sleek, right? So yes, I'm going to put it here. So what will I do is, so not to spoil this mic adapter, I'm going to tape this with insulation. So I have this insulation tape. I'm going to wrap over this adapter, and over that I'm going to use this Velcro. Just cut a piece of it and use Fevikwik, and you put it here. So you are done. After you're done with this, take another one piece of it, the opposite piece, and place it somewhere here. Place it somewhere here, like this, and cut this Velcro according to the shape of the helmet here. Okay, use the Fevikwik, and you're just going to paste it up here. Okay. Put this Fevikwik all around this place here. So this is done, like you see here, and I'm going to place this mic adapter on this. Yeah, this is how it looks, and I haven't messed around somewhere here. Just think over, if I put this adapter somewhere here, it would look too odd, right? Now next thing is I have to fix the mic. So I have the mic here, and again whatever I have used here, I'll put the link in the description so that it'll be easy for you to find out and buy it, okay, if you're interested. Now what I'm going to do is I need to fix this mic somewhere inside the helmet, right? You have the chain guard. I'm going to put a hole just close to this adapter, okay? So I have already put a gap here. I don't know if you can see here. Okay, there's a gap here. So I'm done here, and I did not mess with the helmet look. Okay, so this is how I call it as neat and tidy work without spoiling the look of the helmet. So I hope you like this setting. Finally it is done, and I don't think you'll complain with this setup here, and I don't think you'll have any problem with this when you're riding the bike. And yes, 100% I have not messed with the beauty of the helmet. And if you think this setup is absolutely great, please do write in the comment sections and let me know. And yes, this is all from today's videos, and if you really like this video, make sure you like the video, and definitely if the video was useful, make sure that you share the videos and help your biker friends to set up the helmet with the GoPro in this neat and clean manner. See you in the next video. Bye bye.